So in this short video clip, we got a Suzuki, and it's a 2002 model, and it's due an oil change. So we change the oil every 15,000 kilometres, which is about 10,000 miles. This one's just coming up on 10 now, so we've just taken off the water bottle there, the one side. 10mm screw here, one here. Just take the bottle to one side and latch her up out of the way. And I got the man oil filter. So we've got a little film of oil there in the gasket. We've cleaned the oil filter housing. You see it down there. Our next step now is to put the filter on without dropping the filter. You will get your hand on here, just about. It's a tight squeeze, so make sure you get it on the right thread. Once you're on the right thread, then spin her up. So ready to let the oil out of her and put this plug back into the sump. It's just the oil filter now, so it's just awkward to get it. And hand tight it. So there you go. You hardly even see it. So that's the best way of getting the oil filter on your 2-litre Peugeot diesel. Put it to the Suzuki Vitara. You better be there. So once you've it done, you can hook this up again. And hook it back in there. Then put it on here. Then hit the 2 screws. It's a tight squeeze for the oil filter, so I find if it gets here off out of the way, no need to drain any water or anything, just to get it out of the way. So tighten these up, then we'll fill in the oil, and then we'll run her, and then check the filter for leaks.